Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Hog Wild Pappardelle. First, in this pot I have 1 pound of bacon that I've chopped up into bite-sized pieces, and we're going to cook that till it's nice and crispy and wonderful, and then we're going to drain it. And in this pan I have 1 pound of Italian sausage that we're going to cook up and chop up as we go. Alright, as you can see through the magic of cooking show editing, the bacon is done and it's time to deglaze the pan, and I'm going to use a little bit of red wine to do that. You can deglaze with pretty much whatever you want: beef stock, chicken stock, water. I just like using the wine. I also think it adds a great flavor to the sauce, and all this is going to do is get all those little bits and pieces from the bottom of the pan. It's going to basically lift them up, and we're going to create a little bit of something I like to call liquid flavor. So you basically want to let this reduce down just a bit, between 1/4 and 1/2. And now we're going to add 4 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. And now it's time to add about 5 cloves of garlic that we've minced up. And now it's time to add our herbs, which consists of 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of basil. Then we're going to give this a nice little stir around. And then I'm actually going to add a generous dusting of freshly ground black pepper to this. And then we're just going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes over medium-low to low heat. You know, just give everything a chance to get all happy and wonderful. All right, and then, like I said, the last couple of minutes, get towards the end, get a pot of boiling water going, and cook the pappardelle to package instructions. After 10 minutes or so, time to add the meat back into the sauce. Give it a stir around, and again, let it simmer for a bit. Again, the 20-minute mark is just kind of the bare minimum. You can keep this sauce going for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Again, just simmer as long as you like over low heat. All right, now it's time to add the pappardelle to the pasta. And you just want to give this a stir around. Make sure the pasta is nice and evenly coated. And then serve yourself a bowl. Just like that. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to add a nice dusting of Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Hog Wild Pappardelle. Done.